Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Michael Caniel. I'm the CEO of Learn, and this is our February video message. As you can tell, I'm on the ground here in my family room, and I'm with my little puppy here, Noi, 27-pound black Russian Terrier, and he's chewing on his bully bone and enjoying it, as you can tell. It has been a very busy month, a lot of things happening, a lot of good things. I was in a number of meetings last week with the ministry. They've got some great projects going forward with the sea and hopefully stabilizing that side of things. I did a presentation last week for DLAC, that's the Digital Learning Association of America, out of Austin, Texas. Discussion around, well, have we learned anything, or will we learn anything from the pandemic? A lot of good questions, a lot of stimulation. In the meantime, back on home turf, our PRT team has done amazing work. The Little Learners Project is moving ahead, gangbusters. Same thing with Elan and the our work with the artists, just crazy. I'm just so impressed with that. Nothing surprising, our tutorial numbers keep going up. We'll have to start looking at revising our budgets there because that keeps exceeding our expectations, and that's a good thing. Our pet services team, their workshops are always filled to capacity, and they're building enormously powerful and useful resources for our community. I'm especially thrilled about the fact that our community is reaching out to us more and more. I've cited in the past our QUA, the Quebec Online Alliance, and that's, again, a collaboration with our school boards. Recently, we had a request from the Dean Committee to help them work on resources to prepare kids for the exams at the end of the year. Parents are reaching out to us, other organizations, the Montreal Center for Students with Disabilities just reached out to us recently and asked us to help them out. Last week we worked with the Quebec Federation of Home and School Associations to put out a couple webinars dealing with Black History Month. So I'm pleased not just about the work that we're doing, but also with the collaborations that are going forward. Our partnerships are really successful. Here, I wanted you to see his little face. It really is a sign that as an organization, we're truly coming of age. I hope this continues. We're going to do everything we can to make it happen. And I thank everyone who has reached out to us and who has supported us. And we'll do the very best we can to continue to be that organization for you. Bye, everyone.